What's up everyone, welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Today we're taking a look at XRP and its recent price action, and make sure to watch the video till the end for a price prediction for the short and the long term as well. First things first, please smash the likes, subscribe and hit the bell icon. YouTube is not pushing crypto content out currently and our subscribers aren't getting notifications, so make sure to join our free Telegram to stay up to date with all of our videos as they are posted, links in the description. It really helps if you hit the like. We're posting 4 videos per day, so come back every day for daily updates and analysis. And make sure to comment down below for your chance to win a hardware wallet in our new monthly giveaway. We'd also like to thank you all so much for your support. We've just hit 10k subscribers, so make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, we've had many reports that our subscribers aren't seeing our content, and this is most likely because you haven't hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon with all notifications turned on. Give it a tap now, turn on all notifications, and you'll most likely see most of our videos being posted. Also, if you want to support the channel, make sure to tap that like, it really helps us out. We're posting 4 videos per day, so make sure to check back every single day for daily updates. So we're just taking a look at XRP here, and we can see over the past few days, XRP has been having a massive pump, hasn't it? You can see quite clearly here that we have actually, broken out of that key level of resistance that we've been stuck under for a long time here, ever since we flipped bearish on our EMAs as well. We've been stuck under the 20, haven't we? Stuck under the 20 here, stuck under the 20, all the way down here, until we basically found this double bottom, didn't we? At around this 52 cent level, basically at this previous level of structure, about halfway down. I bet if we took a fib retracement from the bottom here all the way to the top, we'd probably find a decent fib level. Doesn't look like we actually have one here, but maybe if we took one from here, it does look as though we are actually where this move got impulsive, basically from this big leg up here, and then all the way to the top, retracing down to the 318, which is actually really bullish for continuation. Usually when you come back down and you bounce off the 318 fib extension for continuation, you do actually get it is actually a pretty good sign that you're probably going to have a nice continuation. You can see quite clearly here that we have actually come down, pretty much perfectly touched that 318. Also, coming down, double bottoming here as well. We've got nice bullish divergences on our histogram as well. Obviously, you could say this is technically a bullish divergence on the RSI as well, although, these are pretty equal in terms of oversoldness. But you can see all over the place here, there's all kinds of divergences. Obviously, this double bottom, really nice to see, this W double shaped bottom. And as you can see, we've pretty much come up and target met almost exactly, haven't we? We actually ran all the way up to around $1.10 here for this W double shaped bottom. And breaking out these key resistances here, this resistance here, we broke through the 20 and, came up, broke through the 55, back tested, and then, we've started to run away with it, haven't we? Because you can see XRP has broken all kinds of different resistances here. And as you can see quite clearly, we've also flipped bullish on our EMAs, another very bullish signal. So things looking really good for XRP for this reversal off the bottom, aren't they? You can see, if we actually zoom out a bit here, that we are technically in this uptrend that we made ever since we had this, the March crash here. We kind of formed the top of our trend, you could say here. We kind of chopped it sideways for a long while. We had the big, the bull run getting underway. And then obviously the SEC lawsuit came down and had this, black swan event, you could say, for XRP. Come all the way down to the bottom and form this bottom of the channel, you could say here. And then since then, we've started to pick up, and then we obviously started to run up in April and that May, and then in that April-ish time here, we came all the way up to the top of the channel. We've basically formed the top of the channel here with the 3 or 4 touches, haven't we? Top of the channel here, and then ever since, everyone knows what happened in May. XRP was basically chopping it sideways for a while, basically looking ready for, a bit more continuation, to be honest. And then the May crash happened. We came all the way down to around 65 cents. We got that bounce up to around $1.05, etc, and then we just continued to roll over, didn't we? Until we started to find that key level of support, which did seem as though it was on that Fibonacci 318, from where this move got impulsive, dragged from here to here, and then you can see we actually retraced to the 318 here, pretty much perfectly, to be honest, in congruence with this big area of structure. And then since then, we've started to pick up, haven't we? We found the bottom. We obviously flushed out all the weak hands at the bottom here at around 50 cents. I'm sure a lot of people were selling here. And as you can see, lots of people shorting the bottom got absolutely wrecked, didn't they? Because we had the big reversal, broke out the resistance, broke out the 20, broke out the 55, held them all as support, flipped bullish on our EMAs, and now having this nice pump to the upside. Yesterday was a massive, I think it was around 25% at some point. Almost 30% pump there on that daily candle. Obviously, we've had a retracement back down. Currently trading at around $1. which is obviously a key psychological level as well. So obviously once we got above that, it was quite bullish, and now it seems as though it is potentially going to hold as support. But obviously, you know, with pumps like this, and we have been going up pretty fast, always do anticipate potentially rolling over and retesting previous levels of support. We do have a very strong support level here. We'd probably say around this 85-cent level would be decent support, somewhere around here. And then obviously a very strong support, in my opinion, at around that 76-cent level, in and around this area here where we formed, you know, a week of good structure. So things looking really good for XRP for continuation, aren't they? And as we said, we do like to do these thought experiments. And as you can see, in the last bull run, which we've marked out with our fibs here, drag from high to low, you can see here, we came all the way up and pretty much perfectly touched the 227 extension, which was that $3.50 level. We're not saying this is going to happen again, because that would be fairly outrageous. But if it was to happen again, just for argument's sake, we would be looking at an XRP of around $240 from here, which is obviously fairly unlikely, we would say, considering, you know, how huge the market cap would have to be for that to happen. But obviously you can see here, in the previous bull market, we did come all the way up here to around the 161, perfectly rejected off it, came back down, 127 as support, chopped it up in between these before that final run. And in our opinion, obviously, if this happened again, we come all the way up to the 161 here, up to around that $27 level, which is a price target for a lot of people, by the way, this $27 level for XRP. Basically doing something like this, coming up here, maybe consolidating like this, and then depending on obviously how much of a pump that we do get, we could potentially be looking at, you know, XRP doing something like this, and then maybe having that final leg up somewhere into that $50 to $100 region, depending on if the SEC case is fully settled, and obviously if XRP starts to get adoption for its use case across the world for banks. We're obviously going to see a massive spike in demand for XRP if that's the case as well. But quite clear, you know, in our opinion, XRP doing very, very well. It's going to be quite a stretch to reach that $50 to $100 level that a lot of people are calling for, in our opinion. But we do think that $27 level, definitely possible, because it is a fib extension target here, and we did easily meet this in the last bull market. Obviously, history doesn't repeat itself, but it often rhymes, as they often say. And with XRP being so beaten down and so suppressed as it has been by the lawsuit, it doesn't seem that unreasonable to suggest that with the lawsuit being settled in the next year or so, or the next 6 months, depending on how fast things come along, combined with the remainder of the bull market, we could be seeing XRP absolutely explode past its all-time high price, which was around this $3.50 level. And then obviously, you know, retesting that as support, and then moving up to some of these fib extension targets, which we're looking for. Because obviously XRP is a coin that moves very, very fast, as you can see here. It essentially moved the vast majority of its value in essentially, you know, 5 or 6 months. You could say that this was essentially within a month, and this was within a month as well, just a few weeks. So you can see XRP, it tends to move last and the fastest and the highest, with massive gains. So it'd be interesting to see how far it goes in this bull run. But as we said, things are going exceptionally well for now. We are starting to break out of all kinds of key levels of resistance, ready for that final leg up, aren't we? We can see we're hitting our head currently at around that $1 level, which is to be expected. We probably expect it to be chopping up in this area for a while, because $1 is such a psychological level, until the bulls and the bears decide if it's going to become support or resistance. And then once that happens, obviously we could be looking at XRP going either direction. But as we said, with pumps like this, do expect a bit of a retracement, and if that does happen, we've got that 85-cent level as a good level, we would say, as of support. But if we do manage to just keep rolling on, our next target would be around that, you know, that 120 level, where there's a decent level of resistance up here as well. So things looking really good for XRP, but just do keep in mind that it could be getting quite overextended for the short term. But, you know, things looking really good, aren't they? We've basically got that W double bottom. This hourly time frame shows it all, really. We've hit the bottom of our channel. We got really oversold on our higher time frames as well. So clearly that reversal was very likely to happen. And as you can see, you know, XRP looking really good for continuation. So short term, we'd probably say that 120 level if it does continue to pump. But if it does start to roll over, that 85-cent level will be good support, we would say. And in the long term, we do think that $27 level would be our price target for this bull run as a realistic price target, that 161 extension on our Fibonacci. So that's our update today, guys. We'd like to thank everyone for watching. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please let us know down in the comments section below. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can keep up to date with all of our videos. Remember to comment down below and be subscribed to enter into our brand new monthly giveaway for a hardware wallet. If you'd like to support the channel more directly, please sign up to our Patreon via the link in the description below, or sign up to YouTube membership by hitting the join button right next to the sub below this video, where you can get access to our private Discord. We're offering coin calls, one-to-one access to us personally, insight into our personal portfolio, daily research of crypto assets with massive potential, and access to our brand new 100x portfolio. with so many benefits you might as well check it out below. Don't forget to get 2 free stocks with Webull by signing up and then depositing $100 using our link in the description below. You can quite literally deposit the $100, get your 2 free stocks and then withdraw the money, so there's no reason not to do that, and they could be valued all the way up to $1,600 each, but don't forget to actually deposit as well after signing up, otherwise you won't receive the second stock. Scammers get worse every day, so make sure to protect yourself and your crypto online with PureVPN. Sign up below for some big discounts. You can get access to block content and protect yourself from phishing scams with super low monthly payments and high quality speeds. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.